If you are planning on making your chicken feed at home, then there are a few things you can add that will add super great benefits for your chickens, to add to their health, to make sure their eggs are good, certain stuff like that. I've been making my chicken feed myself for a little while now, and I've really seen a difference as far as how they're acting, their yolk color, just some really great benefits, I think. I'm going to show you what I add to mine, and maybe it'll give some ideas for you if you also make yours homemade. But yeah. First thing is you need a bag of feed, one that is already pre-made. This is going to be as the base. Normally I use an organic 19% protein feed. Right now I have some non-GMO 17%. Grower feed. I always use grower feed because I have roosters, so they do not need extra calcium. So the grower feed, make sure everybody gets what they need, and I just add a calcium supplement, oyster shells, which the ladies can pick at themselves. But yes, you need your starter or your grower feed or your layer feed, depending on if you have roosters. That's going to be your main base. Other things that I add are scratch grain, black oil sunflower seeds, millet, split green peas, and I add a variety of seasonings. Let's get it all started. Fresh bag feed, and you do not need one of these metal tin bins. A plastic tow or a plastic garbage bin, anything will work. I have a little bit left over from my last batch, but that's okay. One thing that I also sprinkle into my feed is DE, diatomaceous earth, to make sure we don't get any bug infestations in this feed. I always add a little bit of DE to the bottom to start off. Starting off, I add about 3 scoops of the feed. Maybe 4. You are going to want to do this in layers to make sure everything gets evenly incorporated and everything is mixed in properly. Now I'm going to add a little bit of scratch. Everything you're just sort of measuring with your heart. I usually like to do about 1 part of everything, right? Like 1 scoop pretty much. Millet, black oil sunflowers, split green peas, some green lentils, also have some red lentils, now onto the seasonings. I'm going to start off with some cinnamon. Maybe I should take the thing off. Some cinnamon. Normally I would add a lot more hemp than this. I just got a little bit left over in this bag. Cayenne pepper. Chili flakes. Parsley flakes, garlic powder, make sure you don't get garlic salt, only the garlic powder, basil leaves, Italian seasoning, and some oregano leaves. Also thyme. I would also generally add rosemary, but I do not have any, so this is all. This is all I have, so now I will mix it together. Hold your breath also because this seasoning gets everywhere. This is what the feed looks like. Very beautiful, evenly mixed, very nice and colorful. This feed is going to be so beneficial for your flock. Now I'm just going to go layer by layer and mix it in. is what the complete homemade feed looks like. Very beautiful, very colorful. You should have ran out about pretty much everything. My feed bag is gone. Most of everything is gone. But yeah, some things that I would add but I didn't add would have been pumpkin seeds, hemp, chia seeds, rosemary. If I had those, I would have put them in there also. Those are great. Also, those are also some great things to add. I am going to go get my chicken's bucket of feed, like their feed holder, and fill it up because it's empty. And yeah, that's what my chicken's feed holder looks like. Empty. I'm just gonna scoop this feed into their bucket. When you mix feed like this, it genuinely lasts way longer, especially in the summertime when they're eating outside. This lasts so long. There we go. And we close this up for the next time. We'll see how they like it. Chickens, chickens, chickens. Safe to say they like it.